Breaking news coming in from the state of Rajasthan now. In Gujarat, the Congress, some of its MLAs switched over to the BJP, and in the state of Rajasthan now, Ashok Gehlot believes there is an attempt to poach his MLAs. All MLA supporters, independents have been moved to a resort. It's a developing situation that we're reporting this morning on Republic TV. This is after the panic in Gujarat, chaos in Rajasthan Congress. And Ashok Gehlot has accused the BJP of offering 25 crore rupees to MLAs from the party ahead of the Rajya Sabha elections. The Congress has camped its MLAs at a resort in Rajasthan ahead of the elections, that is the Rajya Sabha elections. We're getting in breaking news now from Jaipur, where Rajasthan MLAs have been moved to the Shiv Vilas resort. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, along with KC Venugopal, will chair a meeting with MLAs to understand the situation at the ground level. That's the breaking news update. Let's see if we have Anuj on the phone line and we'll go across to him. Anuj, what's the situation? Why is there panic? What was the source of the panic?
Well, exactly, Niranjan. At this point in time, I'm reporting from that very resort where the MLAs are. Some of the MLAs are still inside, what we have been told, and some of the MLAs left yesterday in the night after the meeting which was held here and which was chaired by the Chief Minister, that's Ashok Gehlot. Let me tell you, if we talk about the panic in the state of Rajasthan, then Ashok Gehlot himself has made in and making allegation that there is an attempt of horse trading and 25 crores has been offered to the MLAs. If we talk about the independent MLAs, if we talk about the MLAs of BSP, that is 6 in number, and the independent MLA, that is 13 in number, so that's something which has been said by Ashok Gehlot, that there is an attempt of horse trading by the BJP. Let me remind you that if we talk about the Congress ruled state, then again and again these kinds of things we are understanding and we are seeing that these kind of allegation has been made in by the state leadership. On the other hand, if we talk about the latest development, then another meeting has been called today. This is going to be at 5 p.m. at the same resort. This is Shiv Vilas where I am reporting from at this point in time. And at 5 p.m. this is going to be KC Venugopal, who will be here from the national capital, along with Ashok Gehlot, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, who will be chairing the meeting. And this is to understand the situation on the ground level. Whereas as of till now, what Ashok Gehlot is saying at this point in time is that there was an approach, there was an attempt for the horse trading with the MLAs, but MLAs did not go for that. That's something which is being said by Ashok Gehlot. So obviously we need to understand, whenever we are seeing these kind of things happening in the Congress ruled state, then we do understand there is kind of misunderstanding. There is kind of tussle within the Congress party in the respective states. We have seen the same in Madhya Pradesh also, when it was the internal tussle between Jyotiraditya Scindia and Kamal Nath. And if we talk about the state of Rajasthan, then yes, Sachin Pilot and Ashok Gehlot internal tussle is also out in open. We have to see what exactly will be the next of and what exactly will be coming out of this very meeting, which is scheduled at 5 p.m. today in the evening, and what exactly will be the claims that will be made in by the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, that's Ashok Gehlot, and what exactly will be the step that is going to be taken by KC Venugopal. But at this point in time, what we understand and what we have been told, that some of the MLAs are still inside there in this very resort as Shiv Villa, and many of them are expected to come in the evening, because the meeting is lined up at 5 p.m. today in the evening, where KC Venugopal, Ashok Gehlot will be chairing the meeting, and we need to wait and watch what exactly will be the next step and what exactly will be the response of the MLAs. Back to you.
Okay, let's listen into what Ashok Gehlot said earlier today. Ashok Gehlot spoke about it. Let's listen in.
क्या तुक था आपका करने कोई जवाब है इनके पास में? कोई जवाब नहीं।
सर सरकारी मुख्य सचेतक महेश जोशी जी है, उन्होंने
में पहुंच चुका है, खबर आती है, सोशल मीडिया में आती है, और जिस प्रकार की खबर आ रही थी कि ये टोटली खेल खेलेंगे मध्य प्रदेश वाले। हालांकि मध्य प्रदेश के जो 22 MP गए हैं, 22 MLA गए, उनकी बहुत दुर्गति हो रही है। वो लोग वहाँ घुसने पाए क्षेत्र के अंदर, लोग कहते हैं 25 करोड़ में बिके लोग हो, किस मुझे आए वापस? 5 साल ही भेजा हमने आपको, आप आ गए जल्दी, क्यों आए भाई? और बीजेपी वाला टिकट नहीं दे पा रहे उनको, क्योंकि वहाँ के बीजेपी खुद का कैडर है, वो कहता हम कहाँ जाएंगे। आज दोस्तों पहले चुनाव नहीं हो रहे वहाँ पर, कैबिनेट नहीं बन पा रहा मध्य प्रदेश के अंदर, तो यही खेल यहाँ खेला जा रहा था। हमारे विधायक बहुत समझदार हैं, वो समझ गए और खूब उनको लालच लोग देने की कोशिश की गई। मेरे घर इस बात का है कि 6 BSP के विधायक आए हमारे साथ, 13 विधायक आए निर्दलीय। हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में पहला राज्य राजस्थान है जहाँ पर 1 रुपये का सौदा नहीं होता, कोई पद का लालच नहीं, न पैसे का लालच। ये इतिहास में कहीं नहीं मिलेगा आपको कि राजस्थान की धरती में होता है। इस बात का मुझे गर्व है कि मैं इस धरती में मुख्यमंत्री हूँ, जिस धरती के लाल ऐसे हैं जो बिना सौदे के, बिना लोभ लालच के साथ देते हैं सरकार का।